If you are looking for the absolute best Hostinger coupon code 2026 has to offer, you need to stop what you are doing and click the link in the description right now. That is the only way to guarantee you are getting the maximum savings possible today. Do not waste your time searching Google and trying to copy and paste random codes from sketchy websites that are expired or never work. When you use the link in the description below, the exclusive Hostinger discount code is automatically applied to your session in the background, instantly unlocking a price you literally cannot find just by browsing their website normally. A lot of people ask me how to get a Hostinger deal that actually works right now because most coupon pages are completely outdated. The simple answer is that you have to use the direct link in the description to trigger the real Hostinger hosting discount. Hostinger is hands down the best option if you are starting a blog, a business website, a portfolio, or even a small online store. Their dashboard is super beginner friendly. The WordPress setup is just one click, and you can even use their AI website builder to generate a clean, professional-looking site in minutes. You also get all the important stuff included for free, like your SSL security, weekly backups, and professional email, so you are not getting nickel and dimed for the basics. Now, here is the secret that most people miss, and this is where you need to pay close attention if you do not want to overpay. When you land on the pricing page, the numbers look good, but they are not the lowest price yet. You have to click the link in the description and choose your plan. I personally recommend the premium plan because it gives you the best performance and value for your money. Once you click Choose Plan and go to the checkout cart, that is when the magic happens. The automatic Hostinger promo code kicks in again and drops the price even further by nearly another 20%. If you do not use the link, that extra discount does not appear, and you are literally throwing that money away. This is the most reliable Hostinger coupon code available on the internet today. And remember, there is absolutely zero risk for you to try this. Hostinger offers a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You can lock in this exclusive price right now, set up your site, and see how fast it is. If you do not like it for any reason, you get your money back, no questions asked. But you need to act fast because these offers change constantly, and you do not want to let this deal expire while you think about it. So if you want the lowest price possible, click my link in the description right now to activate the full discount. Secure your website, save your money, and stop overpaying for hosting. This is your chance to get the huge Hostinger hosting discount with the official Hostinger coupon code 2026 deal. Click the link now, and I will see you on the inside.